Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided to make this video because I searched a lot on the net, in Google, in YouTube, and simply I could not find something related to the subject of this video. So I decided to make one because this is such an amazing thing that it's not been shared. It's basically very ancient from West Asia. So in Turkey, in Persia, people are using this product and it's amazing, but it's not been shared anywhere. So I said, let me just do this, and I have to share it with you because it's such an amazing thing for your skin. So let's get into the point. Basically, most of us know what zinc oxide is. Zinc oxide is an amazing powder, an amazing element that is really good for your skin. It can remove all the acne, it can brighten up your skin, it can remove all the pigmentation if you are, regular for using this. And also it's really good as a sun barrier, so you can use it in many skincare. Basically a lot of skincare companies, they use zinc oxide in their product, and it's really amazing. You can just use it in anything. There is something that it has not been said about zinc oxide, and there is actually an amazing way that you can use zinc oxide for your skin, which I'm going to tell you here. First of all, zinc oxide, we have two types of zinc oxide. You have to be very careful what kind of zinc oxide you're using as your skin care product. We have nano and non-nano zinc oxide, and basically you must always go for a non-nano zinc oxide for your skincare routine and not nano. So basically, what's the problem with nano zinc oxide and what is it with non-nano zinc oxide? The nano zinc oxide, it has super small nanoparticles which can easily penetrate your skin and go into your body deep, and eventually go into your bloodstream, and basically it can damage your health, and it's not really good for your health. So if you over and over do this and just rub this kind of zinc oxide to your face or your skin, it just keeps absorbing inside your body, and it creates a lot of problem for you, which is very dangerous, and you should not use it. So non-nano zinc oxide does not have that small particles like a nano one, so it does not go in deep in your skin. It stays on the surface of your skin, and it acts as a barrier on your skin, so it can block the sun, it can just act as a protective shield to your skin, and that is what we are looking for. So I am using this non-nano zinc oxide, which is a very good quality. I'm going to link down below the non-nano best quality zinc oxide according to your country of your residence, so you can just go and get yours if you would like to. So let's get into the skincare routine that you can do amazing things with zinc oxide. Not only just take the zinc oxide and put it in your creams, or just incorporate it and make it like a paste. But the other amazing thing that you can do with the zinc oxide is that you can use it as a face mask or as a face scrub, which is the main thing. It's going to transform your skin amazingly, which I can tell you, the ladies, the women in my country and in Turkey, they use this one as more like as a scrub and a face mask than putting that into their creams, and they are getting amazing results. They are just swear by it, and they are not going to leave this product ever. So I'm going to tell you how to prepare this as a face mask, and you can just benefit much better. But also, if you would like to use this in your normal skincare product, it's very easy. You can just get 1 tablespoon of non-nano zinc oxide and incorporate it into 150 grams of your moisturizer cream or any cream that you use, and you can just use it as a daily basis. But for the face scrub and face mask, which is going to give you the ultimate effect, I'm going to tell you how to do it. Basically, this powder is so friendly. You can just mix it with everything. If you want, you can normally mix it with just water and then rub it to your skin like a face mask and let it dry, and then massage it, and then it acts like a scrub, and then you can just wash it off. Or you can just mix it with everything, all the good things that is out there for your skin. It's possible to mix with, like according to the skin condition that you have. If you have an oily skin or if you have dry skin, you can go with a specific ingredient. So if you have oily skin, what you can do with this powder is that you can incorporate this powder with rice flour and milk and mix it until you get a soft paste, and you can just rub it onto your face and let it dry, and it's amazing. One other thing for the oily skin you can do is that mix this powder with rose water and just put it as a mask, and also that works well. And the other thing is tea tree oil, to mix it with this powder and use it as a mask. This is amazing for the oily skin. If you're having normal to dry skin, you can use this powder with some olive oil and sage plant, which is amazing for dry skin. If you want to use this one to brighten up your face and target the pigmentation, mix it with rose water and turmeric powder and use it as a mask. It's great to target any darkness on your face. If you are targeting your acne and your pimples, you can mix this one with yogurt and put it over your face. Just use it as a face mask, and it's gonna help with your acne and pimples. So basically, whatever mask that you're using and you're doing with this, just leave it for 15 minutes to 20 minutes or until it's air dried, and then you can just wash it off, and after a few years you will notice the amazing change in your face. So this was all about the zinc oxide that was not shared before, and it's really ancient, so I just wanted to share this video. If you have any question, you can comment below. So until the next videos.